Southeast. Till today, we have only 2 substantive ministers. The Constitution said we should produce 5 at least.
1 per state.
Good. We have only 2. Minister of Works. And the other minister. Because even the science and technology, that is the only 2. Ogun State has 3. The whole South has only 3 substantive ministers. Ogun State alone has 3. So are you saying that anybody with his right senses from Southeast or South will go and vote for Tinubu? Some of the leaders in Southeast, they say that they are doing Izumunne and that they have endorsed Tinubu. If you heard it. When they said Izumunne, that's when I know that God even has a way of bringing out the truth from people when they don't know. In Igbo land, what we have is Izumunna or Izumuada, Izumuokpo. Izumunne is for children drinking milk from their mother's breast. So these people, without knowing it, has admitted that all of them are forming this thing, endorsing Tinubu because they are drinking from the feeding bottle of Tinubu.
So it's for personal benefit.
And they are scavenging on the rotten crumbs that falls from Tinubu's table. Can't you see how when people would say city boys, can't you see how the Igbos reject them? You know why? It's an insult to Ndigbo. Do you know why we wear our isiago? We wear our isiago because we go to hunt our food in dignity like the lions and we eat fresh meat. We don't scavenge like vultures. Those Izumunne politicians that purportedly endorse Tinubu, they are political scavengers that are scavenging from the rotten crumb that falls from Tinubu's table. They are political children drinking from the feeding bottle of Tinubu. We are Igbo. I would rather starve and die in dignity than to scavenge from the rotten crumb that fall from Tinubu's table. We are Igbo. We hunt for our food and we eat it fresh. We go to the streets and we hunt our food, even if it's selling pure water. We do it in dignity and we eat our food fresh as lions. We are not vultures. We are men and we discharge ourselves as men. Both women in Igbo land, they discharge themselves as men. That's why when you are a woman and you get to a certain level culturally, they will ordain you to become a man. We wear our isiago. We eat our food that we hunt for ourselves. Throughout my life, it has been with my talent and skill that I hunt for my food and eat it fresh. I shall never, ever scavenge for rotten crumbs. I am Igbo and I'm blessed. Those people that say they have endorsed Tinubu, sorry, they are Tinubu slaves, not genuine Igbo people.